please let me introduce myself. I'm Carolyn Orchid. My husband Bob Orchid and I are the proprietors of Springwood Inn. Truly, it's a beautiful inn located on 20 wooded acres looking out to Alabama's highest mountain, Mount Cheaha, from our front porch. The view is actually breathtaking. In choosing adjectives to describe Springwood, I chose these: gracious, private, romantic, historic, and southern. Gracious in the interior. It has deep, deep moldings, wonderful full-length windows with etched glass transoms above. Very elegant. Private. Although Springwood Inn is only minutes from downtown, it has complete privacy, being surrounded by 20 acres of gardens, woods, and even a pond. Romantic. After driving up the long quarter-mile driveway, you'll see perched alone on the hillside this very stately and gorgeous home. You can't help but immediately fall in love. And then sitting on the front porch with a beautiful view and maybe a glass of wine, one can't help but feel romantic. Historic. When Anniston's founder, Samuel Noble, wanted a beautiful home for he and his family, it was this home that he had built in 1882. The home is filled with wonderful history of both the home and also of the town of Anniston. And this makes for great stories to share with our guest. And finally, southern. This wonderful home amidst elegance, a true sweet tea under the magnolias type home.